Guys, welcome again to the Agile Show, where we educate and entertain. Remember, these forms are the last video based on our calculation by using this data. So in this video, we'll be calculating the material purchase budget. Remember, the material purchase budget will now be dependent upon the material usage budget. So if you missed that video covering the material usage budget, kindly check on the link below this video to find and check on how the material usage budget is prepared. Now we continue. As I said, the last part here, checking on the material purchase budget will depend on the material usage budget. To mean, we'll be using these values here, these two values. Now we are having the two materials still. Start from that point, the two materials. So we have material A and material B. Then quantity. Then we are going to look for the quantity to be used, where I did mention that will come from our material usage budget. And those are given for material A. We are having 89,000 and material B 67,000. We indicate them here, and here is 67,000. What next? We are going to where we have the price per unit, the price per unit per material. Now we come back to our question again to check on that. If you check in the for under the material used, the unit cost for material A was given as 5 and that of B is 8. So those are the values you are going to use at this point. Remember, they are in shillings. That is 5 for material A and 8 for material B. Now what is the value? Remember, everything is in shillings. The value here, how we calculate the value? The value will be the quantity to be used times the price per unit. Times the price by this 89,000 times 5. What do you get? Just feed that into your calculator. 89,000 times 5. 89,000 times 5. 89,000 times 5. 89,000 times 5. What are we having? That is for 445,000. Then we again feed that into our calculator. That is 67,000 times 8. 67,000 times 8. What are we having? 536,000. 536,000. Now to complete our budget, the purchase budget, we are going to add these for material A and material B. This one plus this. What are we having? If you feed that into your calculator, you will getting about like 981,000, and we double underline. So that is our material purchase budget. Thank you for watching. I'm your tutor, Julius Joseph. We meet in our next video, where we will be looking at the calculations based on the cash budget. Stay tuned, subscribe, share the video.